Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the SSID and the exact password. Typing errors ruin a QR. Once done, pick your generator device. Android gives a built-in option, iPhone requires shortcuts or a web tool, and a PC uses any QR site. Make sure you can log into the router if you need to change credentials. Now open the generator app or site and prepare to enter network type, SSID, and password. This is the first actionable step toward creating the QR. Now you generate the code. Choose the correct security type because a mismatch prevents connection. Enter SSID precisely, then paste the password. Toggling hidden network to true matters only if your network is hidden. If the tool supports settings, set channel or format options as needed. For advanced control, construct the string manually using the Wi-Fi schema so multiple tools accept it. Once the string or form is ready, hit Generate and preview the QR to confirm it encodes the right text before exporting. Finish by exporting a high-resolution PNG or SVG so the code scans reliably from print and screen. Make sure to test with at least 2 devices, one Android and one iPhone, because scanner behavior differs. If everyone connects, distribute digitally or print with clear margins and contrast. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to re-verify SSID, password, and encryption type, then regenerate. Often a stray space or wrong encryption setting causes failure, so correct and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.